My name is Angel Bennett. I studied a paralegal apprenticeship with Blake Morgan. I was in the Cardiff office in partnership with CAVC. I chose to study with CAVC because they're known for being a provider that cares about their students. It's an enriching experience which provides you with education and on-the-job experience. I had regular check-ins with my training supervisor who would check in on me. I initially thought that I would be sat in a classroom learning about law and not being able to apply it to work the next day, but I was completely wrong. Everything that I learned, I was able to then bring to work the next day and showcase my knowledge and my skills. I was always under the impression that apprenticeships applied to the trades industry, so electricians and plumbers, but when I discovered they did it in the legal industry, it was a very appealing opportunity because they would provide me with the educational aspect and being in the office and experiencing things on a day-to-day basis that I wouldn't get while I'm in university. I know that if I went the traditional route, I definitely wouldn't know this much or have this much knowledge about the legal industry itself. Now that I've completed my apprenticeship, I have moved to London. I obtained a paralegal role with my qualification and I'm now working as a real estate tax and registration paralegal within Howard Kennedy Solicitors. In my apprenticeship, I was the youngest there because I started at 17 and everyone else in my class was way older than me. So it was a great learning experience for me to be able to fix my mindset. And instead of thinking I'm the youngest in the room, I can think I can learn a lot and I can bring a lot to the table too.